Oh, look at this one real quick. That thing's wild. Never seen anything like this car. Big rocket in the back. 2022 Xeno. Oh, I got bumped into by a little boy. Okay, let's go look at the motorcycles. Way over here, see him? Oh, look at them all. Keep running, run, run, run. Don't run so fast though. This way, motorcycles. Also the coolest Honda on the planet right there. See, these are the first motorcycles. These are the old ones. This is where motorcycles started right here. 1909, see? No touchy. Look at that. Look at, and these went to this one, 1928. It's a Sunbeam. Oh, look at this one. 1905. These are special ones. Indian single. People really like these. Are collectibles. It's hard to find these ones. Look at all these ones now. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, it says no touchy. Careful. They're very old, puppy. You don't want to touch them and mess them up and make them picky. They're working in there. Making stuff nice. That's pretty cool. Yellow tanker Yamaha. Say hi. Thank you. See, that's a regular motorcycle. Look, these are race ones. See one up top? That's for race tracks. This is what you would be on. Look right here. This is a little mini race. It's a race bike.
It's my favorite one.
It's your favorite one?
Yeah.
Cool, good to know.
It's small little like me.
It is small and little like you.
Yeah.
That means you could ride it really good. Look at slick tires. And that's how you start it up there, and there's gas. You use your feet to push the brakes and to shift. Let's keep looking over here. Look at this big one. These are big, heavy ones. When you get really big, you can drive one of those, huh? It's called a Mammoth.
Just that one.
Yeah, you want that one instead?
Just that one.
Just that one, okay. It was really pretty. 1928 Indian 101 Scout. Yeah? I like the Benelli. These are some of the very first ones, Papa. I want to look at the motorcycles first. Let's look at these ones. Look at these motorcycle racers. Which one do you like, the blue or the green one? See the blue one and the green one? Which one do you like the most?
That little one.
Little one? You like the little one? Okay. Well, Daddy's gonna look at a couple. '60 BMW. I've been in a couple of those before. A little newer though. Yeah, Papa. I like this Harley. Like military green. Yeah, go. Just don't touch anything. I'm coming. I gotta get the stroller, dude. Gusta. The Hondas. These are beautiful. These are the nicest bikes I've ever seen. Let's see what's that. Whoa, you can sit on a race car seat. Sit on it, see how it feels. Jump on. These are the real seats that they use in race cars. Whoa. I'm a little chunky for it. How's it feel for you?
Dark.
Yeah, you want a chair like this in the house? Here, we can tilt you back too. Lean back. Let me see if it tilts. Oh, it goes all the way back there. Look. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Go lean back. Now that's a seat. Whoa. Ready to go back up? Whoa.
Put it down.
Put it down or up?
Down.
Okay, go back down. I gotta go back up. Yep. Nice leather. Oh, yeah. Oh, I found the spot you take a nap at. Oh, there's a simulator. Oh, this is a simulator, dude. Okay, so technically I think you can grab a steering wheel and play. 115. Look at it, says, welcome Peterson. Minimum height. Oh, Xander, come here, you gotta stand up against this. See how tall you are. Are you this tall yet? Let me see, stand up. Let me see where if you're that tall. Let me see. No, but he's eager. Don't go that way. Come on. Come on. You're a little too short. Let's come on. It's okay. You tried. You tried. I'm gonna put the seat back up. Let's go and keep looking at the cars. Come on. Whoa, huh? There's a simulator over there. Would it go down? Let's go over here. Come on. Let's look at those big race cars. We didn't go see. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if I can pick a favorite motorcycle here. I didn't show the Hondas, but I guess I can for the Honda people. 2008. 900RR. These are the faster ones. Oh, careful, boy. This way. Whoa, real race cars right here, dude. Now that's a real race car, Papa. Remember I showed you the pictures? The top's open, huh? That's how you get into it. You have to open it like that to get into it. Pretty much you're just right behind a big engine, huh? Oh, wow. There's some nice cars here. Let me see, hold on, let me see the picture. Stand up against it. Handsome boy right there. Oh, that could be yours one day. Yeah. I like some of the history. You might just walk up and just, when I'm sitting around bored or in line doing something, you just come back and pause it and read it. When I think of race car, this is kind of I think of right here. 86 Porsche. This is what they used to look like when I was younger. Much everything like that. Don't touch it, dude. Which one do you like more, this one or that one? That one? Well, Xander, you're taking that one. I'm taking this and we'll race, okay? Let's see what's your horsepower. 1,000 horsepower, 220 miles per hour. Let's see. So 680 horsepower, 218 plus. Would be a good race. I think I got a couple years of driving skills on you though. Let's keep going this way. classic fans. That's sweet. Little rocket.
Ooh.
That one's cool.
Yeah.
This one will be really fast. Beautiful.
Building touch.
No touchy.
See?
Good touch. Credit to the builders. Hey, sir. No, no.
Yeah, yeah.
I say no, no.
I see, yeah, yeah.
I say no, no.
I see, yeah.
Called Daytona Dodge Chargers. Here, hey, for real, you're gonna get Ellie's and they're gonna make us leave. We still got one more floor to look at. Okay? You're a nice boy. We're gonna go somewhere fun after. This one's fun for Daddy. Buddy Baker. I remember Buddy Baker one time. It's probably the coolest room we've been in so far. It's like on another level. It's 1966, dude. Look at how cool it looks. I would drive that every day of my life. Are you sure?
Dad.
There's a Pirate's Curse? Oh, I see why you said it's a zombie car, huh?
No.
No? They call it the Black Widow.
No.
Billy Wayne's Black Widow.
No.
No? It's a really cool paint job. Careful. Okay, come on, get back up. You're okay, strong boy. Now be careful while you're running, okay? You can get Howie's here. So be careful, Papa. It's hard ground. Like this on the red one? Look how silly it is. The steering wheel's on one far side over there. These are real race cars, dude.
It's ugly.
They're really funny, huh? Oh no. I like this one. Look at this old one. This is the really old race car, 1913. This one's older than Grandma and Grandpa. Anyone either of us know? Hey, I want to take one more picture. Come here. This is wild. So there's your seat. That's so crazy. Oh, way up in there. There you go. There's the seat. It's the blocker for the engine. Which are just all engine at this point. The people that drive these are really nuts. 2010 John Force Racing Ford Mustang. 8,000 horsepower. 8,000 horsepower. Sander. That's crazy. Well, I don't know what has the most horsepower is this one. This one's got the most horsepower of all of them, Papa. Beautiful, huh? Okay, let's go to the next floor. You having fun? Let me see a fun face. Let me see a fun face. There it is. Okay, good.